Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to limit the Wi-Fi speed, your internet speed on your router using your desktop. So over here you can see a zip file, so you can download the zip file under the description. So after you download it, make sure you extract as a folder. So now double click the folder, go inside and install the WinPKit. I have already installed it, so make sure you install it before you run the exe. So I'm having a Windows 10 here, so just click the Windows 7 and find the exe here. You can see the application, so make sure you right click, run as admin, and you can click continue, ignore the error here, and select your Wi-Fi card. So mine is wireless AC, and click OK. So now the thing you need to do is the first thing you need to do is click network discovery, so you can discover which hardware is connected to your router. And then after you discover it, and then you click multiple times to discover, and it will filter the IP address of the hardware devices connected to your router or internet. So second, you click the start redirect spoofing, and you can see my PC is using download speed, is using the internet speed as my Chrome is opening. And here you can change it to, you can see 300, right? So you can change it to maybe, okay. Oh, I cannot change my own. So okay, so I cannot change my own, so I can change others. So you can see 32 is the highest. Alright, so I'll try to put it 20 and then click other space, so we can see we need to wait, it's not downloading anything. So okay, let's try the upload one. So you can see 76.6, we just set to 4, then click here. So if you set to 4, maximum to 4, if you set to 5, and it will change to 5, so the upload speed and the download speed will be limited. So you can limit others devices download and upload speed, but you cannot limit your own. So you can even block the others from accessing the internet. You can click it, so they won't have the internet at all. Unclick it, and it will return back 20, 50. So this is 5, this is 20. So if we change it to 0, so we can up to 5, even 11, and that's it. This is how you limit the devices that is connected to your router. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and please remember to subscribe and like my videos. Alright, thank you.